Happy New Year!
Today I'm making a delicious Whole30 butternut chili.
Let's kick off 2021 with some strategies to eat healthier. Prepping meals that are freezer friendly is a great strategy for eating healthy on the days when you're short on time. I've been getting butcher boxes for a couple of years now.
I love that they take the guesswork out of finding the healthiest meats to feed my family. ButcherBox sources grass-fed, grass-finished beef, free-range organic chicken, heritage breed pork, and wild seafood.
ButcherBox has a great New Year's promotion. For every order, you get a free pork roast, 3 pounds of chicken thighs, and 2 pounds of grass-fed ground beef.
Find out more about ButcherBox by clicking the link in my stories today. And you'll find the recipe for this chili on sunkisskitchen.com.